Consider the triangle. This is 4. This is 3. 4 units. And this is 3 units. And here you have right angle, and here angle is making. Only this is given. We want to find the values of all the 6 trigonometry ratios. That is, we want to find all these values. Okay, shall we find the values? So draw the diagram. Here right angle is given, here theta is given, here it is given as 4 units and it is given as 3 units. Okay, so we want to find this third side first. How to find this third side? Since it is a right angle triangle, we know by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. Since this is hypotenuse, so name it as hypotenuse. And the opposite side is angle opposite to side is opposite, and the third one is adjacent side. So hypotenuse we know that's what we want to find, and the other two sides are opposite and the adjacent. Hypotenuse we want to find. Hypotenuse square is equal to, what is opposite? What is the value of opposite? 4 units. So 4 square plus adjacent side is 3 units. So 3 square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. So hypotenuse square is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. We need only hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, bring this square, this side becomes square root, which is plus or minus square root 25. Therefore hypotenuse is equal to plus or minus 5. Since it is a side of a triangle, we need not have negative values. Therefore hypotenuse is 5 units. Negative value will be neglected, will be omitted. Clear, children? So we know all these 3 values. Again, if you have confusion, draw the diagram, make it as this one is opposite, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent, and we know the values 4, 3 and 5 every unit. So what they ask us to find all the trigonometry ratios, which means we want to find sine. So first one is sine theta. We know the ratio of sine theta, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to, what is the value of opposite? Opposite we have 4 units, by hypotenuse we have 5 units. That's all. This is value of sine theta. What is second one? Second one is cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore cos theta is equal to, what is the value of adjacent? Adjacent is 3 units and hypotenuse is 5 units. Clear, children? Next one is, third one is tan theta. Instead of writing this sine by cos, we can write directly as opposite by adjacent. Therefore tan theta is equal to, what is the value of opposite? Opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. Clear, children? Next one, fourth one is cosec theta. Cosec theta, either you use this value or write the sine reciprocal of this sine theta directly. Whatever it is, both answer will be the same. So cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite, which is, value of hypotenuse is 5 and opposite is 4. So if you take reciprocal also, you will get the same value. And fifth one is secant theta. The value is adjacent by hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 3 units. And the last one is cot theta, either a reciprocal of this tan or directly you can write adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? 3 and opposite is 4 units. This is the way you want to find